Hello everyone, welcome to another video on COINVISTA channel. Today I would like to talk about Zion Trade project again. Last time you remember that we had two ways to earn money, but now we have another one that I'm going to show you. It's not on the site, it's in the app or in Telegram, but also I would like to show you that the project pays. I'm going to put a print screen and show you how much did I withdrawn last Sunday. It came on Monday. So let's start by a quick brief by altcoins that the minimum deposit is $50 and the Bitcoin is $500. Also you have another one that I'm going to show you, like I said in a few moments. About the withdrawals, you see that I withdraw 3 times on 6th of April. It was $18 plus 10 plus 96. It came very quick. About the deposit, like I said, the minimum is $50. You click deposit and the networks that you have is BEP20, TRC20 and Polygon, and the only coin that you can deposit is USDT, digital dollar. Bitcoin, it's the same, but the minimum is $500. Also you have an affiliate program that you can earn money from inviting your friends here. So you have 5 different levels. You have the first one paying 5.5% up to level 5 that pays 0.5%. Also you can see the turnover of your team. Everything is here, the payout, the total income, and available for withdrawal. So let's start by showing you that the new way that you can earn money, it's only on the Telegram app, as I told you. As you see, there is nothing here, it's still altcoins and bitcoins, but if we go to Telegram, we will see that we have another one called deposit amount for top altcoins. We'll see another one that has a demo. I have a demo account because I didn't put money yet, but I wanted to show you the new stuff that they implemented on the Telegram app. On the level 2, it gives you 25% per trade. As you see, if I had $2,000, I've already have made $353. Let's suppose that you have 3 of them with $5,000, and by the end of the week you could have a decent amount of money. But remember guys, every investment is a risk, so please invest carefully and analyze everything. I'm just trying to show you the projects that I'm investing into. So please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I will help you with everything. If you have any problems with depositing or withdrawing or anything else, just ask me. I will leave my social media, so if you want to contact me, please go ahead. That was it guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one.